check out my review of the Munbyn thermal laser printer. I was sent this Munbyn Bluetooth thermal label printer to do a review on. And I have had Munbyn printers before and I was very happy with them. So I thought, absolutely, I'm going to give this a try. So you get the printer and I have the power cord. I have the USB connection for the computer. I have the drive that I'm sure is what is going to give me the what I need to use my computer. I have some scan codes here that I will be able to hook up my Bluetooth to the smartphone and the tablet, and the printer manual, and of course some labels. So I'm going to get this set up. I'm really excited because my last one I've never hooked up to a computer before, so I'm excited to give that a try and also to see some of the new Bluetooth features. So let's get started. Now I am in editor.munbyn.com and I set up an account here so that I can print right from my laptop. So I'm going to start a design here. Let's go to create a label, and I am using my 130B, and let's see. We are using a white shipping label. So let's get to 4x6 here, and we'll just leave it at that. So now let's create our label. So now you can go into templates, as you see here, or tags, which is pretty simple, a shipping tag. You can add text boxes. You can add images, drag and drop. You can add elements. There's all kinds of things that you can do here in this design area here. So let's grab, this is always nice. Everyone loves these. I'll put love on here. So let's pull this out, make it bigger. And remember, this is going to be shipping label size, but it's just because we're going to try this out. Let's see what else we can put on here. Let's see. So it's very easy now. Let's make this bigger. Oh, there's hope too. There's all kinds of awesome things. Let's get this one off. And let's see what this one says. World Cancer Day. Okay, let's get that one off. April Fool's, fruit, Mother's Day, travel. Oh, travel's always a fun one. Ah, this one says, take memories, take only memories, leave only, see the world through new eyes. No, I don't need that one. Let's see. Easter, here's some cute Easter ones. Or we can go to constellations, Thanksgiving, graduation. Let's try graduation one. Graduate, that says 2024. That's an old one. So easy, but they have a wide variety. So now let's go to add an image, huh? I don't know if I have anything downloaded to add, so we'll skip that one, but you can always add an image. Well, maybe I will add something. Let's see here. I think I had some pictures of my kids in here. So let's add that. As soon as it's done uploading here, I'll add a text box while we're waiting. Let's see. And we will go with greatest blessing. If I could spell it right. Greatest blessing. And I'll stretch this out so that it's not like that. Pull it out. All right. Get it up in here. All right. Now I'll add my picture. If I can find it here. Go back up to image. And it's still uploading. So we'll give it a minute. That is a big picture, so it might not work. Let's see. That's still uploading, so we'll give it some time. And we will see here on this text box what we can do here. Yeah, font size, I can drop it down. So let's drop it down to 16. There you go. That's easy. This is my first time using this, but it's very simple as we go on here. So let's see if I have any other images I can find. Well, let's see what happens with this one. I'll add this one. I had just used this for something fun. So we're going to take this off because that is not something that we're going to want to put with this. So this is kind of a funny one. Apologize for the sense of humor here. But let's just get this printed. So what I'm going to do, you can see that it turned it from a color image into a grayscale, which is good. So now I'm going to download this and I am going to, now you can see our image. And now I'm going to hit print, but I want to get my phone ready here so that I can record this as I print it so that you can see how simple this is. All right, here we go. Let's see, hit print here. And all right, here we go. Let's see, hit print here. And here it comes. Look how simple that was. So these are 2-inch round stickers. I don't know if you can see the perforation there, but it's got a round sticker. So I'm going to get these loaded. It's very easy to load these. You put it in and then you adjust the holder here and then close it and it will calibrate these labels. So that's what it's doing right now, is it's calibrating the size of label. So now you can see the green light is on and it's ready to print. Now I am in my device app, and so we are going to go to create a design here. So I'm going to hit create, and you can see this is very similar to the colors I have, but you can also pick other ones as well. You can find the round and everything that you need there. But I am going to scroll through here, and oh, there's some cute Valentine's Day ones here. So I'm going to just pick the Valentine one, and I'm going to hit use, and I am going to hit print. And there it is. I'll let you see it here. That was very simple and very fast using the Bluetooth. So let's get this off and I'll stick it on. And here it is on my computer. Let's do a simple custom label. So I'm going to hit create here and custom create, and then it's going to be arc, a circle. So we're going to change this to 2 inches by 2 inches. Let's see here and hit create. And I think I'm going to make this just a real simple text box here. You just double click it to edit it. So I'm going to write thank you and an exclamation point. And then of course you can change the font as well. We have some different fonts here that you can pick from. I'm going to use this one, I think. And it's that simple. I'm going to hit print and watch it come. This prints so fast. This is just an amazing printer. Well, I hope you like this video. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the new Munbyn printer. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.